여러분 안녕하세요. Hi everyone. Welcome back to William's Korean class. Today we are going to learn chapter 10. It's about 물건 구입. 물건 구입, which means shopping. When you go to the market or store in Korea, you need to know how to describe the things you want to buy. In this lesson, we will learn some very useful words to help you do that. Let's get started. Okay, first, we will learn 상태, 관련, 어휘, which means description words. These are words that tell us what something is like. For example, is it big or small, fresh or spoiled, cheap or expensive? Let's learn these words one by one using pictures. Ready? Look at these two watermelons. The one on the left is big. In Korean, we say 크다. Okay, big means 크다. Try saying it with me. 크다, 크다, 크다. The one on the right is small. We say 작다. Let's say it together. 작다, 작다, 작다. So, 크다 means big. 작다 means small. Easy, right? Now, look at these apples. The red one looks fresh. That's 싱싱하다 in Korean. Say it with me. 싱싱하다. 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 The other apple is spoiled. Repeat after me. 상하다. 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 싱싱하다 means fresh, and 상하다 means spoiled or bad. Here we have some oranges. On the left, there are many oranges. We say 많다. Repeat after me. 많다. 많다. It means many or much. One more time. Repeat after me. 많다. 많다. On the right, there's only one. That's few or 적다 in Korean. Say it with me. 적다. 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 So 많다 means many or much. 적다 means few. You can use these when counting or talking about amount. 많다 and 적다. Let's look at these shoes. The purple shoes are how much? 5,000 won. 5,000 won. That's cheap. In Korean, we say 싸다. Try it. 싸다. 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 The green shoes are 20,000 won. 2만 won. That's expensive. We say 비싸다. Repeat after me. 비싸다. 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 So 싸다 means cheap. 비싸다 means expensive. These are very useful words when you go shopping. Now let's talk about weight. The man on the left carrying a box easily, it's light. 가볍다 in Korean. Say it with me. 가볍다. 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 The man on the right looks tired. The box is heavy. We say 무겁다. Repeat after me. 무겁다. 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 So 가볍다 means light. 무겁다 means heavy. Here we have two pencils. The long one is 길다. 길다. Say it with me. 길다. 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 The short one is 짧다. This one is a little hard to pronounce. Try it. 짧다. 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 길다 means long. 짧다 means short. Good job. Before we end, let's quickly review some useful vocabulary from this lesson. I'll say each Korean word 3 times. Please repeat after me. fruit, 과일, 과일, 과일. watermelon, 수박, 수박, 수박. strawberry, 딸기, 딸기, 딸기. orange, 오렌지, 오렌지, 오렌지. box, 상자, 상자, 상자. well, 잘, 잘, 잘. The Korean currency won, 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 won. Great work, everyone. You are doing well. These words will really help you when you're shopping or describing things in Korean. All right. Now, let's practice what we've learned. We are going to complete these short conversations by looking at the pictures. Just like the example, person 가 says, 날씨가 나빠요. 날씨, weather. 나빠요, 나쁘다, bad, right? So, 날씨가 나빠요. Is the weather bad? Person 나 says, 아니요. 날씨가 좋아요. No, the weather is nice or good. 날씨가 좋아요. The weather is good. In this way, we can practice number 1. 가 says, 오렌지가 많아요. You remember 많다? 많다 means many or a lot. So, 오렌지가 많아요. It means, are there a lot of oranges? Look at the picture. There's only one. So, 나 says, 아니요. 나 says, 아니요. How can you say? 오렌지가 적어요. No, There are few oranges. Repeat after me. 아니요. 오렌지가 적어요. And number 2. 상자가 가벼워요. 상자 means box. 가벼워요. 가볍다 is the base form. 가볍다 means light. 상자가 가벼워요. That means is the box light? 아니요. No. So how can we answer? It looks heavy, right? 상자가 무겁다, 무거워요. Repeat after me. 상자가 무거워요. One more time. 상자가 무거워요. It means no, the box is heavy. 상자가 무거워요. And number 3, 3번. This watermelon. 수박이 작아요. 수박, watermelon. 작아요. 작다 is the base form. 작다 means small, right? 수박이 작아요. Is the watermelon small? Look at this. 아니요. No. Answer is 수박이 크다 is the base form. 크다, but we don't say 크다. 수박이 커요. 수박이 커요. No, the watermelon is big. 수박이 커요. This is a good example of the grammar we will learn next. And question number 4, 4번. 4번. 케이크가 싸요. 케이크, 싸요. 싸다 is the base form. It means cheap, right? 케이크가 싸요. It means, is the cake cheap? Look at the price. Oh my God, 35,000 won. That's not cheap, expensive, right? So we say, 아니요. Let's complete it. 아니요. 케이크가 비싸요. expensive. Repeat after me. 아니요. 케이크가 비싸요. No, the cake is expensive. Okay, very good. That's it for today's lesson. We learned many useful description words and practiced conversations and even studied a little grammar. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you want to practice more, watch the video again and try making your own sentences with today's words. Thank you so much for joining. See you in the next lesson. 감사합니다.